All right, everybody. So I'm going to put together this quick video, and I just want to show you this from the Schoology page to answer several questions that have been asked um, today. Right. So, number one, if you have not done this yet, you have to join the OneNote class notebook. So, if you look at it, and I'm going to make this look like a student's page real quick. Uh, so when you look at OneNote, it looks like this. Okay. Over here on the left hand side is this link to the OneNote class notebook. Click it. It'll ask you to enter your username and password. Your username is your student number at wmasd.org. Your password is your first name, all lowercase, um, and then you're joined. And then you can print your work into there. Okay. In addition to that, and I posted this in a couple places, but uh, most recently, um, it'll be in next week's folder, but it's also in this week's folder. This Bounty Hunter Senior Project example. So, for your senior project on March 4th, what you're going to have to do is present for 9 minutes. That's the minimum time. It could be longer, but it has to be at least 9 minutes. And then you also have to have a PowerPoint with a minimum of 15 slides and a works cited and consulted page with 8 sources. So when I look at these, okay, here is an example of a completed works cited and consulted page. Now, again, I used for mine the career of bounty hunter. I did that because nobody actually picked that. But when you look at this works cited and consulted page, what you'll see is that there are 8 sources: one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. They are in alphabetical order, starting with the using the first word to alphabetize: bounty, bounty, comtero, B, B, C, F, H, right? Alphabetical order, and that they're spaced and indented in a certain way. Now, all the directions for that are on OneNote. Okay. Also, in that folder is an example of what the PowerPoint might look like. Okay. So, if I go through this, and unfortunately, when you look at it on Schoology, it kind of changes it. So, I have to open this as a PowerPoint. I can't look at it just on Schoology. And again, you'll have a slide at the beginning that has the name of the career and your name, and then a slide at the end that has your works cited and consulted page on it. Okay. And then in between, you have to decide what slides. Now, I'm leaving this on there to give you some ideas. Feel free to look at it. Uh, Feel free to use it to get ideas of things to add to your presentation, whatever it is that you might need to use it for, by all means, use it. Uh, I am going to check this week's work again. Hopefully, you watched the videos that were labeled must watch. And I'm going to get into OneNote and start looking at any sources that have been added. Have a good weekend. And if you're watching this on YouTube, hit the like button after you're done. Have a good weekend.